All right, so this is the top side of the gazebo or pergola that we built, and initially we use either 1/2 inch or 3/4. I think they're 1/2 inch polycarbonate panels, and they worked out really well. I mean, the coverage is fantastic, but in between the seams, we utilized a sorry, let me clean it up while I'm at it. So the seams, we use this roofing tape that's meant to be used on plywood and also meant to be protected under like felt and asphalt or tile. So these are not very resistant to UV rays. So as you can see, there's severe cracking already after about 3 months of service. So what I recommend is if you're gonna go with this approach, to buy the roofing tape with aluminum back, so that way it'll give you a little more life. As you can see over here for the edge, we used a larger flashing also with an aluminum backing, but the aluminum backing has also worn off, even though no one's been up here. There's no traffic up here, so that's just from UV wear. Now the good news is this: once we cover most of the surface area on the roof deck with the what do you call it, solar panels. Yeah, that's what we're doing this. So once everything is covered over with solar panels, it'll give this decking a lot more life, because it'll be protected from the sun. And so yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this job done. That's been taking forever. And if you're into solar, or if you're looking at getting into solar, I hope these videos help you. All right, good luck. Bye-bye.